Hey guys, welcome to SAKO factory. Today I will introduce the package production line to you. You can see here is our package production line, and the worker is stick the label in for the inverter, and then we will put the inverter in with the foam sponge to protect the inverter, and then we will put the products into the cutter. You can see here is our cutter. It is very thick. It is very thick and colorful. With good quality to protect the products in shipping. And here is some ready goods for shipping. Okay. Thank you for visiting SAKO factory, and if you are interested with our products, welcome to contact my WhatsApp. Thank you.